Are your messages, notifications, photos, or calls no longer syncing in PhoneLink? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix PhoneLink when it's not syncing properly. We'll go through the most effective troubleshooting steps to get everything working again. So let's get started. First, make sure your Windows computer and your phone are both connected to the internet. Then open PhoneLink and verify that your device shows as connected. If the connection has been lost, reconnect your phone before troubleshooting anything else. Next, open the link to Windows app on your phone and review its permissions. Make sure notifications, contacts, messages, photos, Bluetooth, and background activity are allowed. Missing permissions often stop information from syncing. Close PhoneLink completely, then reopen it. If needed, disconnect your phone and reconnect it from the app. A fresh connection can resolve temporary syncing issues without changing your settings. Yeah, it's one of the quickest fixes to try. Outdated software can cause syncing problems. Update PhoneLink through the Microsoft Store and update the link to Windows app on your phone. Also check for Windows and phone software updates if they're available. Many phones limit background activity to save battery. Open your phone's battery settings and make sure link to Windows isn't being restricted. Allowing the app to run in the background helps keep syncing active. You know, battery optimization is a common reason syncing suddenly stops. If syncing still doesn't work, remove your phone from PhoneLink and complete the pairing process again. Reconnecting the device creates a fresh link and often fixes ongoing synchronization problems. It usually resolves issues that simpler fixes can't. And that's how to fix PhoneLink when it isn't syncing. In most cases, checking permissions, updating both apps, and reconnecting your device will solve the issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.